Where's Park Ranger Darren?
I don't know. Well, it says our first task is organizing gadgets.
Again? I guess we do use them a lot.
Good morning. Park Ranger Aaron sent us some more help. This is Park Ranger Zoe. We've been training all morning.
Hi, Park Ranger Zoe.
Welcome.
Thanks, guys. I can't wait to get started. I am so ready to protect these dinos. Oh, excuse me. Guess my tummy is not ready.
Hey, that's not your tummy. That's a T-Rex.
Oh, of course he escaped on my first day. He's trying to get me fired.
What's the T-Rex doing outside his paddock? Let me check. Oh, no. The laser fence is glitching again.
Again? Does this happen a lot?
Yeah.
Great, let's go!
Ooh. Oh, well, I guess follow Park Ranger Zoe.
What?
Lead the way.
Where in the world did that T-Rex go? I thought T-Rexes were slow.
I guess we must be really slow.
Or it's Dino Conspiracy.
I know. I'll use my dino sneaks. Man, I forgot to charge them. I guess I have to run like a normal person.
I have an idea. Why don't you two keep looking for T-Bone? We'll head back to base camp and see if we can find any gadgets that might help. Also, I'll contact Park Rangers Aaron and LB and see if they have any ideas.
Copy that, Park Ranger. I'm ready for action.
Park Rangers, break, hurry!
Hey, look, some broken branches.
Oh yeah, the T-Rex was definitely here. I can almost smell it.
That wasn't your tummy, was it?
No, we've been duped, tricked, deceived, hoodwinked. That way. Never thought I'd be running toward a T-Rex, but I am loving the chase. You won't get away with this, T-Bone!
All right, I'll send a message to Aaron and LB. You look for that dino zapper. That'll make it a lot easier to get that T-Rex back into its paddock.
Got it.
And message sent. So, are we gonna prank Park Ranger Zoe like how I got pranked on my first day? Yeah.
Nah, I just got her a cake.
Oh man, that's it?
What? It was your idea, remember?
Well, you could have made me a cake. Yeah, I remember.
Focus, Park Ranger Darren. We gotta find the dino zapper.
Okay. Okay.
Oh no! We're T-Tops!
We gotta get in closer. Oh, I have something for my training that might help.
Our camouflage blanket!
Yep, this'll help us hide. We got this. T-Rex is gonna be sorry. Come on. Here, okay. Let me. Ow!
No! This way!
Shh, be careful. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yes! Right in the hiney!
Oh, nice shot! Wait. He's walking the wrong way.
Oh man, and the T-Rex area is that way!
Darnosaurus stooped again. He's good. Come on, we gotta go turn him around.
Ow!
Oh, careful, careful. Wait a minute. Why are we still wearing this? Come on, let's go. Get your hat.
Oh man, where is that dino zapper? I thought we organized these.
We started to.
Oh, we got a message from Aaron and LB. Hey, park rangers, we've lost some of our dinos too. Here's what we did to keep better track of them. Oh, they sent a video.
Let's get this old dino cam finished off. All right, there we go.
Whoa, Park Ranger, what's with the ladder?
Oh, hey, Park Ranger OB. I was putting in the last of the dino cam cameras, huh? We'll be able to monitor the dinosaurs from any place in the park.
Huh. Dino cams and trackers. I know we have some sticky darts and trackers around here somewhere.
These?
Oh, thanks. Super sticky darts and trackers. Dino cam. Dino tracker. Park Ranger Zoe, come in. Did you get the T-Rex into his paddock?
Not exactly. Meet us at Camptosaurus grounds.
Camptosaurus grounds? Oh man, I better hurry. Find that dino zapper and meet us there.
Copy that.
On my way. What happened? Where's the T? Oh, sleepy dart?
Yep, he was no match for us. But he purposefully tried to trick us earlier by running the wrong direction.
Oh, well, since he's sleeping, we might as well put on his tracker.
Is that the 500?
Yeah, you know, the secret ingredient.
Guys, nap time's over.
Okay, okay. It's okay.
Yes! Right in the honey! Did you see that? Double honey day! Woo! Sorry! I hate getting doctor shots in that spot too. Run! Go! Run! Save yourself!
Oh no, that looks like a mad T-Rex. Yes! It's okay, Park Rangers! It's gone, Park Rangers! Park Rangers, do you copy? The T-Rex is back in its paddock. I repeat, the T-Rex is back in its paddock. I took care of it with the Dino Zapper.
Oh!
Oh, phew.
I guess we can put up those dino cams. All right, looks like this last dino cam is secure.
And it's all tightened up.
Is it working?
Oh, it works. I can see the dino dot on the radar.
Yes!
No more sneaking around us dinos. Wait,
What?
isn't this where we are too?
Yes.
Wait a minute. Which area did you say this was?
Gigantosaurus!
Back to base camp! Hurry! Phew! That was fun. At least we know everything's working now.
Yeah, everything's all set up. I think you deserve a break.
Aww.
We wanted to welcome you.
And Park Ranger Darren really loves pranks.
You're pranking her?
No, we're pranking you.
Well, I guess I deserve that. Mission log 66, always be on the lookout for dinos and pranks, especially if you suggested them. This is delicioso.
Don't worry, Zoe. We have another one for you.
Ooh, oh, it looks delicious. Thanks, everyone. What a great first day.
Welcome to T-Rex Ranch! That one's for you. I'm gonna eat.
No.